Now we're going to be talking about bases. Normally in math, we operate on what we call base 10. But there are many other bases that we can use in math. So we're going to be talking a little bit how to convert from a different base to our normal base 10. Let's take, for example, 213 base 4. Notice the base is indicated by a subscript on the bottom right-hand corner. If I want to convert this number to base 10, I'm going to take my base and I'm going to place it above each place value. In base 10 place values, the first place value is 10 to the 0, or the ones place. The second place value is 10 to the 1, or the tens place. The third is 10 squared, or the hundreds place. So if this were base 10, this would be 10 to the 1, or the ones place. So it would be 3 times 1 is 3. This would be the tens place, so it would be 10 to the 1. 1 times 10 is 10, so this is worth 10. This is in the hundreds place, so really the value of that is 2 times 10 squared, or 2 times 100, 200. Base 4, other bases work exactly the same way, but instead of doing to the a 10 to a power, we're going to do this base to a power times the number in that place value. So 3 would be in the place value of 4 to the 0. 1 would be in the place value of 4 to the 1. 2 would be in the place value of 4 squared. So to figure out how to write this number in base 10, I'm simply going to multiply each digit by its place value and then add. So 3 times 4 to the 0, 1 times 4 to the 1, and 2 times 4 squared. Now I do inside my parentheses first, 4 to the 0, anything to the 0 power is always 1. So 3 times 1 is simply 3. 1 times 4, anything to the first power is simply itself. So 4 to the 1 is 4. 1 times 4 is going to be 4. And then 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Now I add them all together. 32 plus 4 is 36, plus 3 is 39. So 213 base 4 would be written in base 10 as the number 39. That is how we convert from different bases to the normal number. So I start off, whatever the base is, I start off writing it to the 0 above the ones digit and above that base to the 1, above what we would call the tens digit normally, and the hundreds digit, we would do it squared, then so on, cubed, whatever, and then we multiply each digit by its place value, which is written above it, add those numbers together, and that will be converted now to base 10.